When we started our business, we visited plenty of blasting rooms, and the one problem was dust contamination from dry blasters. When manufacturing companies used dry blasting, they would isolate the machine to a separate room with quality exhaust systems. The advantage of the vapor blasting process is the lack of dust. The water is trapping the dust particles, pulling them down, and keeping them from escaping into the atmosphere. A vapor blasting machine can be placed beside a CNC machine all day, every day. Also, a person operating the machine will not inhale any harmful dust particles. If you have questions, call our sales team at 828-202-5563 and visit our website at www.vaporhoneytechnologies.com.